All right, so just to loop back around, Pete's penicillin or penicillin. Yes, I just think it was 1990. Take a little trip down memory lane. It was 1998, a hot summer night at Mango's. No, so boredom and
Mangoes.
hey, look at that mango. You start messing around, and Joe, I know you've done this before.
Mm-hmm.
I'm bored. I've got all this alcohol in front of me. Let's see what I can make. Next thing you know, you've tested 12 drinks, and you're like, okay, for my next drink, it's a shot. It's gonna be. Yeah. All right, so our handy dandy ice bucket here. So I get some ice. That's not enough. Okay.
It's a little small enough to scoop.
That's the word. All right. So we'll start with some Evil Juice, Southern Comfort 100. So I'm making it for 3, so we're gonna go about 3.5 ounces.
4. The Kelly one too.
Oh, 4. Sorry, Kelly. Didn't mean to leave you out there. A little bit of vodka.
Vodka.
Because, the Southern Comfort's not strong enough, right?
It spreads it around.
About 2 ounces of that.
Okay.
Amaretto for a little sweetness and that kind of almond aftertaste.
A little nutty.
Yeah, about an ounce.
I love amaretto with like mango or pineapple or something. Amaretto's actually a really fun ingredient in a lot of tiki drinks.
Well, a lot of guys, they don't use orgeat anymore when they make a...
Yeah, they just switch to amaretto because it's got booze in it instead of just the sugar flavor.
Get your maximum money's worth, right?
That's right.
And of course, Mango Puree.
That's the amaretto and Mai Tai. I got soda water here too if you wanted to do that.
Okay, yeah. Oh, nice.
Right?
It's quite a fancy bottle. This is going to be a tough one to shake, so I'm
probably half ounce per for the mango.
Yeah. No, excuse me.
Splash it. You gonna shake the soda water?
Huh? No, I'm not. I'm just going to kind of stir it.
Okay.
It's just to kind of give it a little bite,
Yeah.
And I can't quite get this to cap because it's a little full, so we're going to do
I got the spoon.
Pinky's up.
Pinky's up, bitches.
I love the stir face.
Pour it. There you go.
Rock and roll.
So unprepared.
No, that's like that's
No, you were so unprepared.
that's nightclub.
So unprepared.
Right there. The break.
No.
You crack it like an egg.
Crack it like an egg.
Crack it like it's hot. Crack it like
No, like an egg.
Crack it like it's hot.
Looks like I made. Oh wait, 4, right?
Yeah.
That's why I made more.
Fuck me.
You don't crack things that are hot, Peter.
Crack it like it's hot.
I guess hot glass cracks when you put cold water in it.
Look at that. I did know what I was doing.
Like a
Lucky guess.
Like a profesh.
All right. Gentlemen and ladies,